The first crochet knot you'll ever learn is the slip knot, so let's get started. This is the way my grandmother, my nonna, taught me how to make a slip knot, and this is how you'll see me doing it on video when I am working any crochet projects that I might need to do a slip knot while I'm on camera. So the first thing you want to do is grab the tail, and in the other hand you're going to use 2 fingers, and you're going to wrap around the 2 fingers and there so that they cross over each other. I usually like to cross them either here in front or on top. Usually it's here on top. Then I take my thumb and I hold that crossover. I take my fingers out of the circle that I just made, and then I take the tail and I put it through the center of that circle. Then I grab the tail and the working yarn and pull a loop of the tail, and to make sure you don't lose that tail like I just did there. Pull the tail through, and then you should see that you now have a slip knot. And that's my favorite way of making a slip knot. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. And also, if you ring the bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. Thanks for stopping in, and I'll talk to you next time.